This is our interior design project for our subscriber, Sam. His interior looks outdated and empty, making it hard for him to achieve the look he wants. That's why we're here to help. We'll be transforming his space with a modern minimalist style. But before we start working on these rooms, let's talk about the mood board for this design. For the colors, 65% of the space will focus on light and neutral shades, including white, soft beige, and light gray. These tones will be applied to the walls, ceilings, and larger furniture pieces to create an open, airy, and calming atmosphere. Next, 25% of the space will introduce natural, warm textures through wood accents and furniture. This includes wooden pieces like coffee tables, bookshelves. Finally, 10% of the space will incorporate soft pastel tones, such as pale blue and muted pink, used in throw pillows, artwork, and decor. These gentle pops of color provide contrast, keeping the overall vibe fresh and balanced. This well-balanced mix of neutrals, warm wood, and soft pastels creates a space that feels open, inviting, and effortlessly stylish. Now, let's bring this mood board to life. Let's start with the drawing area, where you'll welcome your guests as you enter through the main door at the upper right. This space measures 56 square feet, 17 square meters. The owner needs a TV wall unit, a sofa, and a coffee table. Since this area is meant for guests, we'll make sure there's plenty of seating. A white modern curved sofa will be the centerpiece, paired with 2 accent chairs and a bench to provide ample seating without overcrowding the space. The space is empty, since they're just moving in, and looking at it, we can already see that the flooring is a great fit for the minimalist style the owner prefers, so we can keep it as is. For the walls, we'll add a white dove painting. It's versatile and pairs well with any decor, adding a touch of calm and simplicity to the space. But to enhance the lighting, pin lights on the ceiling will evenly brighten the room. These lights are practical for everyday use and will make the entire space feel well lit and balanced. Now, let's talk about the layout. The centerpiece of the seating area will be a white modern curved sofa, priced at $2,159.99, which adds a sleek and elegant touch to the space. Then, next to it, a pedestal side table with a dark wood finish complements the minimalist theme. On top of the side table, a minimalist vase with dried flowers and a white mushroom table lamp adds a subtle yet stylish touch. For extra seating, we'll add accent chairs that are simple and functional, keeping the minimalist vibe. A bench chair will also be included, adding extra comfort and style to the room. And to make the seating area cozier, soft pillows in off-white, brown, terracotta, black, and white with simple patterns will be added to the sofa, providing a soft contrast without being overwhelming. In front of the sofa, a modern rectangular coffee table, priced at $519.99, will sit. This table brings a clean, modern feel to the space, with its sleek lines. Then, we'll add decor like a vase of plants and a book on the coffee table. Next, to make the area feel more inviting, you can add a rug with a neutral tone and simple pattern. Above the bench chair, a gallery wall will be created with a few frame prints, giving the room a personal touch while keeping it minimalist. A wall-mounted light will be added at the side of the painting to highlight it and create a focal point. Another painting will go on the left side of the sofa and will add another wall-mounted light to enhance its presence. For window coverings, you can use a valance to keep things neat, followed by a sheer curtain and neutral drapes. These will allow light to flow in while providing privacy and maintaining the minimalist style. And a tube floor lamp will be placed beside the sofa, adding more lighting and a modern element to the space. And now, to complete the look, you can add a modern LED chandelier, priced at $202.99. Let's move on to the TV area. First, you can add a soffit to install a recessed light, which will brighten the space and give the area a more refined look. Then, you can install a PVC fluted wall panel, which adds texture to the space without being too busy. Next, for the TV console, you can choose a low-profile design. It keeps the space open with clean lines. You can also add a few simple decor items to keep it stylish yet uncomplicated. For extra storage and display, you can add a narrow vertical shelving unit with decor. These shelves are perfect for showcasing small decor pieces, such as vases or sculptures. You can create a backdrop with marble that has beautiful natural veining, where the TV will be mounted. This adds elegance and enhances the minimalist feel of the space. And before we move on to the next area, let's take a quick look at how this space turned out. Let's move on the living area, located to the left of the entrance. This space measures 10 by 11 feet, or 3 by 3.3 meters, making it ideal for seating and relaxing. The owner requested a sofa, a coffee table, and a TV area, all designed with functionality and a minimalist aesthetic in mind. So, we'll arrange a sofa, complemented by coffee table, a round ottoman, and other carefully chosen pieces to enhance the space without cluttering it. Moving on, let's look at the ceiling. Pin lights are installed to evenly brighten the room, ensuring a clean and open feel. But for added depth and focus, we'll include a track light to highlight specific areas, making the lighting functional without being overwhelming. And now, for the sofa. A beige curved sofa with a gold base is chosen to create a modern yet luxurious look. To make the space more inviting, you can add pillows in cream, dusty pink, and pale blue, which provide a gentle contrast while keeping the room calm and balanced. Next, a minimalist round side table with a gold frame and a metal base is placed beside the sofa. It's simple but functional, adding a stylish detail without overwhelming the minimalist vibe. You can place decorative items, like a small plant or a cup of coffee, to bring life and texture to the table. Then, for added seating, we'll include a round poof ottoman. In front of the sofa, a modern coffee table with a geometric base is added. It contrasts with the soft curves of the sofa, but it fits perfectly within the overall design, bringing structure and interest to the space. You can style it with a vase of plants, a decorative bowl, and a book to complete the look without overcrowding it. Moving on, the seating area will be defined with a neutral-toned rug featuring a subtle pattern. This helps anchor the furniture and ties the elements together. For the walls, we'll add an abstract painting with soft shades ranging from light beige to dark brown, giving the space character while staying true to the minimalist theme. To highlight the artwork, a wall-mounted light will be installed above the painting, adding focus and dimension. And beside the seating area, we'll include an arc floor lamp with a gold-plated base. This provides additional warmth to the room. Next, let's talk about the TV area. A PVC fluted wall panel will be installed here, adding texture and blending perfectly with the minimalist theme. Below it, we'll include a floating TV console with a white finish. This design keeps the look light and modern. Beside the console, a narrow vertical shelving unit with glass doors is added for displaying small decorative items, such as vases, books, or sculptures. You can also include LED strip lights in the shelving to highlight the items and add a subtle glow to the space. Then, the TV will be mounted on a marble backdrop with natural veining. This backdrop adds elegance but remains consistent with the minimalist design. You can enhance this feature with LED strip lighting around the marble. For the windows, you can add a valance to keep the look clean, paired with sheer curtains and neutral drapes. This combination provides privacy while allowing soft, natural light to filter through, enhancing the airy feel of the room. To complete the space, we'll include an LED geometric pendant light above the seating area. Its angular design and clean lines make it a bold statement piece while matching the minimalist aesthetic perfectly. And before moving on to the kitchen, this is the living area after designing it. Now, let's move to the kitchen, which is positioned next to the living area. Measuring 32 feet or approximately 10 meters, this space features an L-shaped layout designed for functionality and style. The layout optimizes the work triangle, ensuring the sink, cooktop, and refrigerator are positioned for easy access. This arrangement minimizes unnecessary movement, but without sacrificing storage and flow. First, let's discuss the cabinetry, as it defines the visual and functional aspects of the kitchen. The handleless lower cabinets, with a dark, glossy gray finish made of MDF material, create a sleek and seamless look. The upper cabinets, with their asymmetrical design, maximize vertical storage. But the contrast between the dark glossy gray upper section and the light gray lower section adds visual interest. Now, moving to the countertop, the black textured surface with subtle veining made of marble tile offers both durability and elegance. This material extends to the backsplash, featuring a gray textured surface with subtle veining, tying the entire design together. Next, let's focus on the lighting, which is crucial for functionality and ambiance. Pin lights and a track light on the ceiling brighten the room evenly, ensuring a well-lit environment for cooking, but overhead lighting alone isn't enough. So, LED strip lights under the upper cabinets provide focused lighting for the countertops, enhancing visibility and adding a modern glow to the space. For appliances, the cooktop is integrated into the left side of the countertop, near the door, with a range hood installed above it to ensure proper ventilation while maintaining the minimalist style. Below the cooktop, a microwave is placed within the cabinetry, keeping it hidden to preserve the clean lines of the design. The dual sink area, complete with a modern faucet, is positioned under the window, allowing natural light to enhance the space. The dishwasher seamlessly integrated below the sink, and the two-door refrigerator, positioned at the far right side, ensure the layout remains cohesive and functional. Moving on, the L-shaped design ensures ample storage while leaving enough space for movement. Inside the cabinets, pull-out trays or custom dividers can be included to keep utensils and cookware neatly organized. The decorative items, like a small potted plant and a bottle of olive oil, strategically placed near the sink, add personality without overwhelming the minimalist design. For the window, we use blinds to control the light, offering both privacy and clean look. This is a quick look of the kitchen area. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another design tips.